ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri jong katanat ka koj ka khia ka sarkar jilla u James PK Sangma ha ka hnyotri ko banai no pra arjar arpway ula play pa ba ya ka oxygen generator plant ha Nazareth Hospital Shillong. Hakajing play yakni ka oxygen generator plant la sakhi lang do principal secretary katanat ka koj ka khia ka sarkar jilla u P Sampat Kumar u joint secretary but mission director ka National Health Mission u Ram Kumar ka administrator jong ka Nazareth Hospital ka Sister Noreen u Vice General ka Shillong Archdiocese u Reverend Father Richard Majau lembat ki doctor ki bakintup ya u Dr. G Rangan u Dr. Michael G Maulong but ki nongtre jong kanika hospital.
I want to start off by congratulating the Nazareth Hospital and the sisters on this wonderful inauguration of this oxygen plant, and really this is testimony of the fact that Nazareth Hospital has been offering immense service to not just the people of Shillong but the entire state of Meghalaya. COVID has taught us many lessons about the importance of a robust healthcare infrastructure, and at the same time, unfortunately, it has also exposed the inadequacies of our healthcare system, which we must acknowledge. And we must come together to look for solutions so that we can rectify the flaws and avoid a repeat of tragedies by equipping hospitals with technologies and necessary infrastructure to minimize the adverse impact of pandemics like COVID-19. Fortunately, in Meghalaya, we could minimize the impact of COVID-19 because all sections of civil society, which includes traditional and religious institutions, came together and collaborated with the government, and private healthcare institutions like Nazareth, like Bethany Hospital, to work day and night towards providing medical care and support for all sections of society. In particular, missionary institutions like Nazareth Hospital, even before the pandemic hit us, were the backbone of medical healthcare and infrastructure in Meghalaya. When the pandemic turned our lives upside down, the frontline workers of such institutions were leading the way in providing much needed care and treatment for the public and providing support to many government initiatives. The government of Meghalaya acknowledges and recognizes the massive contribution of institutions like Nazareth Hospital. And this is why we have invested about 14.4 crore rupees in private hospitals to increase the readiness for a potential third wave. And we feel that this sort of collaboration, this sort of partnership and mutual respect for each other is the way whereby we will bring transformational change in the healthcare sector. Out of the 14.4 crores that we have set aside for private hospitals, I'm very happy to inform all of you that 2 crores and 51 lakh has been invested in Nazareth Hospital. Apart from that, the Department of Health and Family Welfare has facilitated the Path Foundation, who are here, and would like to express a word of gratitude for them also, to donate this PSA plant in Nazareth by the Tata Advanced System to provide a stable flow of 800 LPM, benefiting 100 patients who will require oxygen support during critical times, possibly for a third wave, which we hope will not come, but yet we need to be prepared for. And I believe that this oxygen plant will be an asset not just for the hospital, but for the entire health system of our state. And I take this opportunity to wish Nazareth Hospital and the sisters and all the staff, the doctors, the nurses, the paramedics, and well-wishers of the hospital the very best as they add another milestone in their endeavor to serve the people of the state. As a representative of the government, I wish to assure that we will try our best to serve the people of our state to the best of our abilities, and I know that we have a dependable partner in Nazareth Hospital to try to provide access to timely and adequate healthcare to the people of our state. I once again congratulate Nazareth Hospital on this milestone, and I wish them all the very best in their future endeavors, and assure them of the fullest cooperation of this government in providing adequate and timely healthcare to the people.